Hi everyone. Yesterday I purchased a soldering station. I want to share with you the 10 criteria I used when selecting a soldering station to help you think through what you want to buy and maybe some things to consider that you would not have come up with on your own. The first point was I want to buy one already in my country. Otherwise, due to the cost, duty and brokerage fees would likely apply if I imported this. Secondly, numerous various tips and accessories are included for use in a wide array of soldering jobs. 3. The soldering iron unscrews from the soldering station, so it alone could be replaced in the future. 4. The tip of the soldering iron detaches, so it could be replaced in the future. 5. I require the soldering station to have a digital temperature control for the heat. Temperature control is important when soldering different types of thicknesses of metal. 6. It comes with a heat gun for sweating joints and applying heat shrink tubing after soldering a join. 7. A warranty is included, speaks to the manufacturing standards. 8. The price is within my budget. 9. It came with a free shipping option. And finally, 10. Overall positive reviews of the soldering station. So this is the list of what I was looking for when I was doing my selecting, and I'm very pleased with the soldering station that I've placed the order for. I hope this helps you and helps you do something with your hands that's creative and that you can get a good sense of accomplishment. Thanks for the time that you spent with me today. Bye for now.